Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to walk you through the Meta AI image generator. So let's get into the videos. So firstly, open up Meta AI. So on your browser, just open up any browser, type in imagine.meta.com. so type that in and we'll get to this page here. So here we are at Meta AI image generator here. So click on this login option here on your bottom left. So you can log in using your Facebook credential. I've logged into mine. So once I've logged into your Facebook credential here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on this imaging option here. So click on the imaging option. So when you click on this imaging option, you'll see this screen here. So what Meta AI does is that if you give some description about what you need, if you describe an image, then Meta AI is going to generate it for you. It's just as simple as that. So for example, on this description box, if I type some names like here, so for example here I just wrote a small paragraph, smiling monkey. So when I type in smiling monkey, so it has generated this image here, which is a smiling monkey. So this is what actually the Meta AI image generator does. So based on your description, so you can be more descriptive in your description so that the AI knows what you exactly require or need. So just for the demo I'm using a smiling monkey, but you can just type in more descriptions, more and more descriptions, so that the AI will generate those images based on your description. So that's basically what this Meta AI image generator is. It's a pretty handy and an easy way to generate images based on your description. You just have to type it and then the AI will get it done for you, and that's pretty much it is. So I hope this information and video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.